What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. Today, I am sitting at Cinema Tech. We are a Cinema Tech authorized nationwide dealer, and we're going to be discussing in detail the seating and all of the options that come along with it. All right, let's get into it.
Hi, my name is Matt Denton. I'm the VP here at Cinematech, and today I'm sitting in our Valentino incliner, which started it all. Our owner, Michael Murphy, had a neighbor that was building a really nice home in Dallas, Texas back in '99 and couldn't find any high-end theater seating out there, so they thought, hey, maybe there's a business opportunity here. Looked around the US, different manufacturing facilities, and couldn't find anyone that could build a chair with this kind of quality. So they actually went over to Germany, found a company that had been building furniture since the late 50s, and said, hey, do you guys want to build theater seating? You guys build great furniture for the European market, but we're here in the US and we want to build something really nice. And they said, what's a theater seat? So they kind of came together, worked with their design team, and created this chair among others. And that's kind of how it all started. And so there we progressed over the years. We've added things like this with the motorized headrest. And this chair actually now has 3 motors in it. So we have the headrest, the footrest, and then the incline of the chair. What I'm also going to show you here today is some of our other options we have now. We have our Legrand incliner, same function and everything, but a different style. And then right here we have our Sonoma sofa. One thing that we've seen become very popular over the last few years here at Cinematech is sofa style seating. It now makes up about half of our seating sales because people want a more relaxed feel in their theater room. But while they are in a theater room, they still want to be able to motorize the headrest or be able to motorize the seats. And so what we did is we took that same mechanism we offer in our theater seating and created sofas with it so they function like theater seats but look like sofas. So this one, as you can see, the feet will come up still, and then it will actually even incline out. So this, along with the headrest, you can get a fully functioning theater seat that's hidden in a sofa basically. We also offer chase lounges. They can come with cup holders and other features that we offer in our theater seating, but it's just a nice way to complement how you can do your room, and as you'll see in our theater in a minute, that's actually how we did it in there. Over the years, we've seen clients that want more customization or quicker lead times. So here we have our Angelo incliner. It's part of our US collection. The nice thing about our US seats, while the headrest is not motorized, it still adjusts forward and back, so that way you can still get that perfect neck position. The seat also features USB port in all the switches we offer, and all of our cup holders can hold a table like the one shown there. For clients that want a nice sofa but don't want it motorized, we have our nice Paseo model here. This comes from our German factory. The idea with this was give clients a way they can just relax and kind of lounge around on furniture without breaking the bank. And then over here, we have the rest of our US collection. And as I mentioned, the main reason we came out with this is to be able to offer customization. So for this chair, for example, we offered 4 different wood colors in this. We can also switch up the arms. I've had many clients that love the seat of this, but maybe want to use the armrest of the chair we just saw over there, and then they want to change out the headrest with something else. So if custom's your thing, we got you covered. And the nice thing about the US seating is it's only a 2-month lead time, so we can turn it around very quickly for you. And then if you want the best seats we offer from Germany, you're looking at about a 4 to 5 month lead time. With that said, let's go into our theater room and check out our newest model, the Sevilla, which we debuted at our industry trade show last year, CEDIA, and it's now become our #1 selling theater seat that we offer. The nice thing about this chair is it features some nice diamond quilting that is optional. So if you don't want like that, you can just have these nice vertical seams. We also have these beautiful storage arms that lift up, and for blankets, arms, cup holders, tables, whatever you want to store in there. So lots of storage. These are available in different finishes and also leather wrapped if you don't like the look of wood. And then up here in our front row, we have our Estrella sofa. This is our most popular selling sofa that we offer. This we debuted a few years ago as well, and it just features very clean lines but also extreme comfort. And this also has the motorized headrest feature and the motorized feet as well. So Cinematech, our goal is to find the perfect seat for you through our sofa style seating, theater seating, whether you want the 3 motors and the motorized headrest, or you just want to create something that's one of a kind, unique for your home.
All right, guys, well, that is a wrap on seating. I am so excited to offer Cinema Tech to you guys. They are an icon in the industry, and you know we're on this journey to deliver the absolute best experience to our clients, and this is a great opportunity to do that. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. We have a ton of home theater content, all giving you guys inspiration to help create your dream home theater. All right, guys, well, till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.